What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Wes Fisher Show. Do you want to see what my first paycheck was for YouTube? Then let's go. Wow, guys, I can't believe I was able to finally get my channel monetized. I'm going to go right into the analytics, get straight to the point. I know you guys are always looking for cool content out there, so here's a cool video of what I did when I finally got monetized on YouTube, my first paycheck. So let's hop right into it. Boom, as you can see, estimated revenue is over $2 grand. Man, that's awesome. But the coolest thing about this, guys, and my first month of being monetized on YouTube was $450. And the only reason it was that number, as you can see, I wasn't monetized until the very end of December. Now understand, guys, YouTube is not a get rich quick thing. It takes time. It takes the hard work. I've probably been on YouTube on this channel at least over 7 years with no income, no nothing. As you can see, I've been posting videos like crazy, going ham, not making a dime. I finally posted a video that goes viral, and as you can see, my first day being monetized, I made $34 in one day. Come on now. YouTube is definitely an option you guys can do. If you look into the 90-day breakdown, it shows a little bit clearer. Actually, not even 90 days. Let me do 28 days because it's only been a month. As you can see, it went from $35 a day to $144 a day, $150, $199. I think at my peak it might have been, is it $199? I think there's a $200 day. $200 in one day. What? Let's go. Obviously, my trend or my viral video is starting to lose a little bit steam, so I'm sure those numbers are going to come down. But I want to give you guys some inspiration, if you will. I've been working on YouTube for a while. My first YouTube check for the month of December was $455. For the months of January, which we're not even over yet, we're only halfway through, I'm already at $2,107. So can you make YouTube work? You know, is this the year to get started in YouTube? Yes, why not? I mean, it's 2021. They say, oh, it's too late to get started in YouTube. Oh, things are too saturated. Oh, there's not enough, you know, there's too many people out there. There's too many car videos. There's too many gamers. There's too many finance people. Listen, guys, today, right now, is the best time to get started in YouTube. Even if you're watching this in 2025, it's still the best time to get started in YouTube. I'm a brand new YouTuber, guys. I'm gonna get into my analytics. I'm gonna, show you everything that I've been working on with my other YouTube page. And also, this is the Wes Fisher Show. So don't forget, if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like the channel, leave me a comment, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of financial content on this channel. So I want to give you guys some information to show you that this is just one income stream. If you see my other videos, I have multiple income streams. Stay with me, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.